Garland from Fine & Country Leamington Spa. We are here today in Priors Marston at Priory Farm Cottages on the edge of this idyllic village, approximately 6 miles from Southam and both 13 miles from Banbury and Leamington Spa. The property offers a beautiful porch and inner hall leading into a cosy breakfast kitchen room and a very large living room with feature fireplace. Also includes 4 double bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching a tour of this beautiful property. If you would like further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.